Alright guys, I'm doing a review on the So Delicious dipped salted caramel popsicle, pretty much. This was on sale at the local grocery store, so people always ask me for different options and things like that, so check this out. It is non-GMO, gluten-free, and non-dairy-free. Look at that, eh? So, let's check this nutrient panel. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so it does have quite a bit of sugar, so keep that in mind. Per 1 bar. Non-dairy frozen dessert, cashew based. So do you use cane sugar? You got some pea protein in there, and yeah, some chocolate coating. So yeah, so just be aware of that. Like I said, if you want to read it, pause it. So I'm going to do a quick taste test, see how it actually tastes. Check that out. Wow, these are small. Okay, so there's only 4 bars per box. And that's what they look like. I'll give you a size comparison right there. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so the chocolate coating is pretty good, but the ice cream or the ice cream in the middle is basically their salted caramel flavor that you can get in a tub as well. So if you like the ice cream in this, you can just buy the tub. It's actually cheaper. So, but if you want something portable like this is not bad. It is on the sweeter side. I find this sweeter than their ice cream version. Yeah, other than that, it's not bad. And the ice cream, or the chocolate coating around it, has a slight bitter taste to it because it's pure cocoa. So, yeah, it's slightly bitter. So, more like a dark chocolate. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.